Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel Victor Explains. In today's video is about how to fix NVIDIA control panel won't open and start in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7 with 4 methods. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.